Hey everyone, it's Lynnea, and I'm so excited to be back on YouTube making videos for you guys. This is my first one in over 2 years, so bear with me. I've made some mistakes, and I hope I'll get all the kinks worked out. So I'm going to be using the Simon Says Stamp August 2018 card kit. It's called Mandy's Flowers, and it comes with this great background stamp. So I'm going to stamp it directly onto my A2 size card base with some Simon Says Stamp Barely Beige ink. And it's a very light ink, so I decided to double stamp it so that it would just have a little bit more depth of color. I stamped the ring with the floral image along with the thank you sentiment in VersaFine Onyx Black ink onto some watercolor cardstock, and then I use Simon Says Stamp clear embossing powder over the top to help me control my watercolor and keep the watercolor inside the lines. Watercolor for me is the easiest way to add color, but I'm by no means an expert, so I'm just quickly laying down some color. For the flower, I started with some orange and then dropped in some red to get that peachy color. And I'm not going to make you sit here and watch the entire watercoloring process. It's pretty basic. I don't do any shading or anything. I just drop in straight color and kind of let the water move and mix on its own. So I cut out that piece, popped it up with some foam tape, and then off camera I tied a bow because nobody wants to see me tie a bow on camera. And that's it. That's my quick and easy card. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you soon. Bye.